Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All right, everyone, up to here, we have done all the topics. We have done the ratio questions, we have done the percentage, we have done the interest one as well. So we have just go for the topical worksheet of everyday mathematics. So let's see how going to be start. We have the first question. The first question he says that the Lin scored 18 marks in a test and Jihun scored 12 marks. You have to calculate Lin marks as a percentage of
Welcome, sir.
1 marks. Walaikum salam, Danyal. So we have to find the percentage of Lin marks as a percentage of Johan marks. The Lin marks is 18 divided by the Johan marks is 12 multiplied by 100. Yes, please find the value.
150%.
150%. Yes, Daniel, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. Yes, everybody, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now look at here. We have done this type of question in the ratio topic. It is a rate of exchange question basically. A holiday in Europe was advertised at a cost of 245 euros. The exchange rate was $1 is equal to 1.06 euros. Calculate the cost of the holidays in dollars, giving your answer to the nearest cent. So this means that we have to be convert this one into the dollars, right? The easiest way you have dollars, you have euros. The cost of the $1 is 1.06. You have to find the number of dollars when the euros are 245. Yes, it is clear. Just have to arrange it like this and then do the cross multiplication. It will be 1.06x is equal to 245 multiplied by 1 is 245. 1.06 is dividing, so you have to divide. Yes, final answer is you have to use the calculator today. 245 divided by 1.06, that will be equal to
231.13 pound dollars.
2313.
1.13.
He says that near a cent. So obviously at the second place, up to second place, you have a cent because the 1 cent, $1 is equal to 100 cent. Okay, we have to move up to the 100th place. The two places on the left side. All right, now next question. A student played a computer game 500 times and won 370 games. Now he then won X games and lost none. Means he again play X games and he's going to be won all the games. He has now won 75% of the game he has played. So first of all, we need to find the total number of games that he has to be played. That is 500 plus X. It is clear. These are the total number of games that the student is going to be play. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
The second
Yes,
one,
sir.
the won number of win games are 370 plus X. Now look at here, the percentage is given of winning. The winning percentage is given of won is equal to the win divided by total multiplied by 100. And the win is given that it is 75% is equal to 370 plus X divided by 500 plus X multiplied by 100. Now this is the value that you have to be convert into. There you have this is a simple algebraic equation. You have to be simplify them to find the value of X. Now 100 is multiplying on the side will be divide 75 divided by 100 multiply by 500 plus x is equal to 370 plus x. 25 times 3 is 75, 25 times 4 is 40. Now 4 is dividing here, on the other side it will be multiply. So that will be equal to 500 plus x, or multiply 3 inside the bracket. Yes, 3 multiplied by 500 is 1500 plus 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 4 is dividing, it will be multiplied on the other side. 1500 plus 3x is equal to, yes, please multiply 4 multiplied by 370.
Sir, 1480.
1480 plus 4x. 1500, take the value here, 1480 will be minus 4x as it is, 3x will be minus, so you will get 20 is equal to x, or x is equal to 20. So basically after that he played 20 games and he is going to be win all of these 20 games. So then the percentage will become 75%. Yes, Sagward, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
So basically this is the concept from the percentage. The rest of the simplification is just from basic algebra. All right, let's move to the next one. A spacecraft made 58,376 orbits of the Earth and traveled a distance of 5.656 times 10 power 9 kilometers. Calculate the distance traveled. So these are the orbits, means the path. Okay, and this is the distance, and you have to be calculate the distance of the one orbit. Yes, how we can find it? It's a very basic question. These are the number of orbits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the total distance. You have to find the distance of one orbit. Yes, how we can find it? There is no hard and grip tool here. It's just a basic question. Yes, Mozam?
Yes, sir.
No idea?
Sir, the first part is 445,500 kilometers.
How you will find it?
By dividing the
Yes.
kilometer by the orbits.
This is the total distance is given, and this is the number of orbits. Just divide the distance by the total number of orbits. So automatically you will get the distance of the one orbit. Yes, that is 45.
500 kilometers.
Correct to nearest kilometer. 45,400 and 1 second. I need to find it 4.656 times 10 power 9. And in the denominator we have 58376. It is 454, 9 and 8 is still 8. You have to round off up 2 kilometers. 98 kilometers. Yes, everyone, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right, the orbit of a spacecraft is a circle. Calculate the radius of the orbit. The orbit of a spacecraft is a circle. You have to find the circle. So basically, this is the orbit, and this distance is given, that is 45498, and you need to find the radius. It's a just very basic question. That is the circumference. The circumference is equal to 2 pi r. The circumference is given 45498. 2 pi is multiplying, it will be divided here. You will get the radius. Yes, that will be equal to
Says 7241.2.
72.
41.27.
Mhm. 724 divided by 45498 divided by 2 pi 412. All right. Now we have the next question. At 0506, Mr. Who bought 850 fishes at the fish market for 2.62 each dollars. 95 minutes later, he sold them all the supermarket for 2.86 each. What is the time when he sold the fishes? Yes, what is the time? He start 5, 6. Take 95 minutes. 95 minutes means 1 hour and 35 minutes, right? If you will convert 95 minutes into hours, so we have to break it into 60 minutes and 35 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour plus 35 minutes. So that's why I have to write 1 hour 35 minutes. Just add them. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry 4, and 5 plus 1, 6. Be careful when you are adding a time. You have to be add the minutes into minutes and hours into hours. You cannot take the carry. So it is 0641. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, Mozam, Daniel, Riba, Afaf.
Yes.
In the next part, he
Yes.
says that you have to be calculate the profit. So the profit is obviously this is the difference in the price. 286 is the sale price minus 2.62 is the purchase price. And you have how much fishes you have to sell? That is 850. Yes, that will be equal to
104.
204
4.
dollars. $204 is the profit he is going to be earned. And he's going to purchase 850 fishes. The cost of each is going to be $2.62, and the sale price is 2.86. So we have to take a difference. So we'll get a profit on the one fish. And he sells 850 fishes. So multiply by 850. you will get the total profit. All right, the next question. In January, Sunanda changed 25,000 pounds into dollars when the exchange rate was this. Means $1.96 is equal to 1 pound. In June, she changed the dollars back into the pounds when the exchange rate was this one. You have to calculate the profit and give your answer in terms of pound. Yes, what we have to do first? Anyone?
So multiply 25,000 with 1.96.
Yeah, but obviously I'm going to be doing it with the recommended steps. Yes, you can. You are right. We have pounds and the dollars. $1.96 is equal to 1 pound, and now we have 25,000 pounds. You need to be find it. Just do the cross multiply. So you will get x is equal to 25,000 into 1.96. Yes, that will be equal to
49.
49,000.
$49,000. All right, now we are just going to be convert these dollars back into the pounds. So again, we have dollars and pounds. Now the exchange rate was different. It's 1.75 and 1 pound. Now you have the dollars 49,000 x. So do the cross multiply. At this time, obviously, we have to just divide 49,000 divided by 1.75. Yes, that will be equal to
28,000.
28,000 pounds. We have to find the profit. So the profit will be equal to
3,000.
28,000 minus 25,000 pounds. That will be 3,000 pounds. He is going to be earned. Just change the pounds into dollars and then again dollars back into the pounds from January to June. Yes, anyone have a question up to here?
No, sir.
Now the question number 7. In 1970, the population of the China was 8.2 times 10 raised to power 8 in 2007. The population of the China was is this. Calculate the population in 2007 as a percentage of 1970. Okay, we have to calculate a percentage of 2007 as a percentage of 1970. So 2007 is 1.322 times 10 raised to power 9 divided by a population in 1970. That is 1.3, sorry, 8.2 times 10 raised to power 8. To convert it into the percentage, we will multiply by 100. Yes, that is equal to
161.21.
0.21%. To three significant figure, it is 165. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Afaf, Raz, Riba.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, the next one is Zainab borrows $198 from a bank to pay for a new bird. The bank charges compound interest at a rate of 1.9 per month. Calculate how many, I think, interest she owns at the end of 3 months. Calculate up to, so this is the time is given, the rate of interest is given, the principal amount is given. So you have to be calculate the interest. It is a compound interest. So in compound interest, you will directly get the total amount first. So the total amount is equal to P into 1 plus R our 100 whole power T. The total amount we need to be find. The principal amount is 198. 1 plus rate is 1.9 divided by 100 and the time is 3 months. Yes, that is equal to
So I'm not sure, but I'm getting 209.5.
209.5. Yes, any other one getting the same answer?
Yes, sir. 209.5.
Okay, but obviously we did not find the total amount. The question is you have to find the interest amount only. So the interest will be interest is
11.5.
equal to the total amount minus principal amount. Total amount is 209.5 minus 198. Yes, that will be equal to
11.5.
$11.5. So she get $11.5 as an interest, or not get. Obviously, she need to be pay $11.5 as an interest. Yes, understood.
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 9. In 2007, a tourist changed 4,000 Chinese yuan into pounds when the exchange rate was this one. Calculate the amount he received, giving your answer up to 2 decimal places. So look at here, we have Chinese yuan and we have pounds. The rate of exchange is 1 pound is equal to 15.2978. Look at here, in the given question, you have the value up to 4 decimal places. So when you are going to be round off, you have to be stay up to 4 decimal places. Only round off the final answer up to 2 decimal. Okay, you will get the more accurate answer. And we have 4,000 Chinese yuan into x. So just do the cross multiply. 15.2978x is equal to 4,000. Now this value is multiplying here on the other side to be divide 4,000 divided by 15.2978. Yes, that is equal to
261.48.
there is no more values.
So, sir, like 475. So I rounded off to 48.
475. Okay, 48. Right. In the B part in 2006, the exchange rate is this one. You have to calculate the percentage decrease in the numbers of Chinese yuan of each pound from 2006 to 2007. All right, so the change is 15.9128 minus 15.2978. These are the values. Going to be 1 pound is equal to this one, and 1 pound is equal to this one. And we are moving from 2006 to 2007. The 2007 value is 15.2978 minus 2006 value is 15.9128 divided by the initial value is 2006 value, that is 15.9128. Yes, that will be multiplied by 100. Basically, when we have to subtract, we will get the change. divided by initial value. Initial value is you are moving from 2006 to 7. That's why the initial value is, it is going to be changed from 15.91 to 8. Yes, that is equal to
Minus 3.86.
3 point
Sir,
is
minus.
minus.
Yes, sir. Sir, please.
In the answer, we have to neglect the minus sign because we are going to be talking about a change. So you just have to take a bigger value first and a smaller value after. Okay? Because
Okay,
when
sir.
we're talking about change, you have 4 and 9. I have said that what is the difference between these two values. So obviously you will do it 9 minus 4, that is 5, or 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. So minus 5 just shows that one value is bigger and the second one is smaller. All right, it does not affect the percentage. So if you have to write the final answer, you have to write it into opposite of 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
can we use another method like I divided the smaller value with the bigger value and times it by 100 to find the percentage, and it was 96.135, and then I subtracted it by 100. It is giving me the same
Yes,
answer.
you can. You can.
Oh, okay, sir.
You have to divide 2006 value by 2007 and multiply by 100, right?
Yes.
So you will get the rate of change. You will get the percentage of 2006 with respect to 2007. All right, and obviously that may be a value 97 point something, and then you have to subtract it from 1. You will get
No,
this one.
no, sir. Sir,
Means 0
basically,
0.97 like this.
sir, divided the smaller value with the bigger value, and it gave me 96 something, 96.5 something, and then I got the answer 3.865,
Smaller value by,
bigger value, and then I multiplied by 100.
you have to divide this by this one, right?
No, sir, I did the opposite, and I got
One
this
in
same answer.
point nine one two eight. So I say that the same thing first. 2006 value to 2007. It is a smaller value. It is a bigger
This is
value,
this is the, sir, the 2006 one is bigger.
and 2007 like this.
Yes, it
What
is
you will get?
giving 96.135.
96.135. And when you have to subtract from 100, you will get the same answer. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can do it by that way as well.
Okay, sir.
All right, now that we have the next one. Michael changed $600 into pounds, and the rate of exchange is 1 pound is equal to $2.4. He later changed all the pounds back into the dollars, and the rate of exchange is this. How many dollars he received? Yes, Mustafa, how we can do this one? Mustafa,
Yes, sir.
what will be the first step here? Yes, Mozaf, any idea? Daniel?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
First we will divide 600 by.
Yeah, you have to convert $600 into pounds first, right?
Yes.
I'm going to be doing with this computer steps. We have pounds and dollars. 1 pound is 2.4. Now we have $600 into X. So do the cross multiply. So obviously this value is going to be divide 600 divided by 2.4. Yes, that is equal to
250. 250.
that is 250 pounds. All right, now he is going to be convert all the pounds back into the dollars, and the rate of exchange is different. The pounds, dollars. 1 is 2.6. The pounds are 250. We need to find the dollars. We just do the cross multiply. X multiplied by 1 is 1, and 2.60 multiplied by 250. Yes, that's equal to
650.
$650. You are going to be receive $650 instead of $60. Yes, sir, you want it is clear?
Yes.
Yes, only Daniel is taking the classes, or Mustafa, Afaf, Muazzam, Ariba, are you here as well?
So now it's clear.
Okay. Yes, Afaf. Read the question number 11 and tell me how we can do this one.
A person traveling at 108 kilometers per hour takes 1 second to go past the building on the side of the road. Calculate the length of the building in meters.
Oh, total question is totally different. Any idea?
We can use a formula for this.
It's actually from kinematics. We did not run it yet, but still we have to do. The speed is equal to
Distance over time.
distance over time. But the problem was here it is given in the second and it is given in the hours. So we have two options. We have to convert hours into seconds or second into hours. It's up to you. Let's have to be convert the seconds into hours. So we have to divide it by 60 multiplied by 60 because in 60 seconds you have 1 minute and in 60 minutes you have 1 hour. So 60 multiplied by 60, you have to divide it, you will get in seconds. Okay, seconds, minutes, hours. When you are moving from seconds to minutes and minutes to hours,
You divide by from seconds to minutes. You divide by 60, and from minutes to hours you divide by.
when you have hour to minute, minutes to second, you have to multiply by 60. When you are moving back, smaller to bigger unit, you
You
have to
divide
be
by 60.
divide. So it is 1 hour and 3600 hours. So you have to find the distance. So it will be speed multiplied by time is equal to distance or the length of the building. Speed is 108 kilometers per hour. Multiplied by time is 1 divided by 3600. Yes, that is equal to
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah,
Sir,
0.03.
sir, won't we convert a kilometer into meters? It would be like 30 meters, right? Like 108,000.
0.030 meters. Yes, he says that in meters. So convert it into meters. So from kilometer to meter, we have to multiply by
1,000. So we
1
get 30.
to be 30 meters. Yes, like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. All right. Now we have the next question. A cyclist left Morni on Wednesday, 21st May at 9:45 to travel to Sydney. The journey takes 97 hours. Write down the day, date, time. Okay. So first of all, 97 divided by 24 in the rough work. Yes, that
4,
we get
4, 4.04, something like that.
4.04 something. Okay. So 4 multiplied by 24, what you will get?
96.
96 means plus 1 hour. I have to break 97 hours. So means you have 4 days and 1 hour. You have 4 days and 1 hour, right? That takes 4 days and 1 hour. So he is going to move from 21st May. 21st May, 22, 23, 24, and 25th May. So the date is 25th May, and the days, he just leave it here from Wednesday. So Wednesday to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So on Sunday he is going to be arrived. Now about time, simply from 9:45 to next 9:45, next 9:45, 9:45, and plus 1 hour. So that will become
10:45.
10:45. That's it. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we have the next one. Change 64 square meters into square millimeters. Okay. First of all, we have to convert meters to millimeters. Yes, when we are moving from meters to millimeters, what we have to do?
Multiply by 1,000.
Multiply by 1,000. It is square meters. So obviously, it's the square on the 1,000, the square on this value as well. So 64 multiplied by 1,000 square. So square meter will become square millimeters. And that will be
64 million.
1, 2, 3, 4,
million.
5, 6. Oh, he says that you have to rewrite the answer into the standard form. So we need a decimal point before after the first non-zero digit. Remember, in the standard form, the numbers topic, we must have to rewrite the decimal point before the first non-zero digit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the answer will become 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power positive 7, negative 7.
Positive.
Because when you are moving a decimal point towards the left side, it is a positive power, and when you are moving a decimal point towards the right side, you have a negative power. Yes, Ariba, please read the next question.
Ricardo changed $600 into pounds when the exchange rate was $1 is equal to 0.60 pounds. He later changed all the pounds back into dollars when the exchange rate was $1 is equal to 0.72 pounds. How many dollars did he receive?
What is the first step? Yes, Ariba, what is the first step? We have to convert dollars into pounds. What is the first step?
Sir, we will multiply.
Yes, we have to multiply. We will change the rate of exchange, that is 1 and 0.60. And you have $600. You have to find the number of pounds. Just do the cross multiply. It will be x is equal to 600 multiplied by 0.60. Yes, that is equal to
360, sir. 360, sir.
360 pounds. Now he later changed all the pounds back into the dollars. So the exchange rate was same thing. You have dollars and pounds. The rate of change is 1 and 0.72. Now we are changing the pounds back into dollars. The cross multiply, it is going to be 360 is equal to 0.72 into x. It will be divide 360 divided by 0.72. Yes, that is
500.
$500. Yes, everybody, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you have exchange rate question, they are going to be very easy. Obviously, if you will understand that we have to multiply or divide, you can do it directly. But for example, if you will not get the idea, just write you have dollars and pounds, write it like this way. The rate of exchange $1 is equal to 0.6. $1 0.6. If you have a dollars, substitute the value of dollars. If you have the value of pound, substitute the value of pounds. So automatically you will get the number of dollars or number of pounds on the other hand. Okay, again we have the maximum speed of the car is 252 kilometers per hour. We have to change this speed into meters per second. So we have to convert kilometer into meters and hours into. So from kilometer to meter, yes, we have to be multiply or divide.
Multiply
Multiply by
1000.
1000. In the same way, from hour to second, we need to be multiply by
3600.
60 multiplied by 60, that is 3600, because in 1 hour you have 60 minutes and in 1 minute you have 60 seconds. If I'm going to be write it like this, so it is going to be more clear for you. Basically, it is per hour. So 252 into 1000 divided by 3600. It will become in meters and it will become in second. Yes, that is equal to
70.
70 meters per second. All right, now we have the next question about a compound interest. John invests $600 for 3 years at a rate of 4% per year compound interest. Find the final amount after 3 years. So, yes, what is the formula?
A equals P times 1 plus R by 100 power n.
P into 1 plus R over 100 power T. The principal amount is 600. The rate is 4 over 100. And the time is 3 years. Yes, that will be equal to
$674.9.
you already done the worksheet or you are just doing the calculations?
Calculations.
Okay, very fast. Yes, Muslim, Mustafa, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Afa, Fraz, Riva.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, now let's we have to the last question and we are going to be end it. Now, Raina went to holidays to the New Zealand. She traveled the 65 kilometers from Tokyo to Narita Airport by taxi. The taxi journey cost is 300 yens per kilometer. Okay, 300 yens kilometer plus there is a fixed charges of 700 yen. Okay, calculate the cost of the taxi journey. Okay, so she traveled 65 kilometers, right? So first of all, we have fixed yen, that is 700. If you have to book a taxi, you need to be pay 700 plus. You have to be travel 65 kilometers, and the cost of 1 kilometer is 300 yen. So multiply by. So basically, this is for the booking, and this is for travel 65 kilometer. Yes, that will be equal to
20,200.
20,200. All right, well, 20,200 yen. All right, in the next part, he says that at Narita Airport, Raina changed 71,190 yen into the New Zealand dollars. The exchange rate was 1 New Zealand dollars is equal to 56.5 yen. How many New Zealand dollars did she receive? So we are moving from yen to New Zealand dollars. So the rate of exchange is 1 New Zealand dollar is equal to 56.5, and she has 71,190 yen. You have to find the number of New Zealand dollars. So 56.5 multiplied by x is 71,190. It is multiplying, on the other side will be divide. 71,190 divided by 56.5. Yes, that is
127.26 New Zealand dollars.
127 point
2566.
2566.
No, sir. No, sir. 127.2566.
127.2566. It's a
Yeah,
very
so we can round off.
it's a very smaller value. It is 71,000. It will become only 127.
Oh, sorry, sir. It's 12,072.56. Something
Any
like that.
okay? Any other one? Please confirm the answer.
Sir, I got 12,060 New Zealand dollars using this same equation.
12,060.
$60.
Yes, Daniel. The second one you have to find the correct one.
560.
Yes, sir. I missed one one
Zero.
in the.
All right. This is the final answer. Yes, I it is clear. So look at here. This is the whole worksheet. You have to be attempted. Each and every question is going to be exactly same. The rate of exchange, the percentage, the basic skills. All right. And we have done all of these tools. We have done the ratios. We have done the numbers. We did not done the kinematics, but the question that you will get is just using one formula. Speed is equal to distance over time. We have done these questions before as well. We did not just done the graph of kinematics, but we have done this formula. We have the percentage, we have the interest questions, simple interest, compound interest, the decay, exponentially increase or decrease. All right, we have done all of these steps. So you have a time till the next class. You have to complete this worksheet, and if you have any query about it, you have to be asked before the next class, not in the class. All right.